Question number 1. Ammonia oxidizer and nitrite oxidizer are gram-negative chemolithotropes, gram-positive chemolithotropes, gram-negative photolithotropes, gram-positive chemolithotropes. Correct answer is option A, gram-negative chemolithotropes. Question number 2. How much time does nitrifying bacteria require to grow at an incubation of 225 250 to 300? 1 day, 2 to 3 day, 15 days, 1 to 4 months. Correct answer is option D, 1 to 4 months. Question number 3. Which among the following is not an ammonia oxidizing bacteria? Nitrosomonas europaea, Nitrosovibriotenuis, Nitrospina gracillus, Nitrococcus oceanus. Answer is option C. Nitrospina gracillus is not ammonia oxidizing bacteria. It is a nitrite oxidizing bacteria. Question number 4. Agrobacterium is involved in which of the following process? Ammonification, nitrification, reduction of nitrite to ammonia, and denitrification. Answer is option D, denitrification. Question number 5. Which of the following condition decrease the level of denitrification? Abundance of organic matter, acidic pH, elevated temperatures, availability of oxygen. Correct answer is option B, acidic pH. Question number 6. Which of the following are not the features of component 2 of nitrogenous enzyme complex? Component 2 is a nitrogenous reductase, is correct. Component 2 is known as the MOF protein, is not correct. Contains sulfur, not active without component 1. Correct answer is option B. Question 7. Which of the following is symbiotic nitrogen fixing bacteria? Rhizobium trifoli, Clostridium pasturinium, Azotobacter species, Escherichia coli. Correct answer is option A, Rhizobium trifoli. Question number 8. Which among the following are the most important agent of carbon dioxide fixation? Bacteria, fungi, algae, protozoa. Correct answer is option C, algae. Question number 9. Fresh air contains approximately percent carbon dioxide by volume 0.01, 0.05, 0.03. Correct answer is option D, 0.03% carbon dioxide. Question number 10. Cellulose is degraded to cellulose by the enzyme cellulase beta glucosidase hexokinase cellulose dehydrogenase. Correct answer is option A, cellulase. Question number 11. In carbon cycle, flow of energy is bidirectional, linear, cyclic, irreversible. Correct answer is option B, linear. Question number 12. Cysteine breaks down in presence of cysteine desulfurase to give oxaloacetic acid, sulfuric acid, pyruvic acid, glycosylate. Correct answer is option C, pyruvic acid. Question number 30. Which of the following process is performed by thiobacillus thiooxidans? Converting sulfur to sulfate, converting sulfur to sulfides, converting sulfur to sulfides, converting organic sulfur to inorganic sulfur. Correct answer is option A, converting sulfur to sulfides. 40. Sulfates are reduced to hydrogen sulfide by desulfomaculum species, thiobacillus thiooxidans, photosynthetic sulfur bacteria, rhodospirillum. Correct answer is option A, desulfomaculum species. Question number 50. The reduction of sulfate and sulfides to hydrogen sulfide is done by which group of bacteria? Aerobic sulfate reducing bacteria, photosynthetic sulfur bacteria, anaerobic sulfate reducing bacteria, heterotrophic bacteria. Correct answer is option C, anaerobic sulfate reducing bacteria. Question number 60. Which among the following develop in the upper portion of Winogradsky column? Sulfate reducing bacteria, green sulfur bacteria, purple sulfur bacteria, thiobacilli. Correct answer is option D, thiobacilli. Question number 70. Which among the following is a non-sulfur purple bacteria? Rhodomicrobium, thiobacillus, chromatium, chlorobium. Correct answer is option A, rhodomicrobium. Question number 80. Which is not a biotic component of pond ecosystem? Phytoplankton, autotrophic bacteria, saprophytes, nutrients. Correct answer is option D, nutrients. Question number 90. Which process can introduce particulates into a pond? Erosion, electrochemical bonding, cementing, aggregation. Correct answer is option A, erosion. Question number 20. Pond having which of the following as a bottom layer will account for least water loss? Sandy soil, loamy soil, high clay containing, high organic matter containing. Correct answer is option C, high clay containing.